does makeup in Korea, and so he partnered with Ikea. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but he made a cushion called the donation cushion, and I bought it. I was really interested because it was like a skincare cushion, so I was really interested and I wanted to try their products anyway, so I was like, oh, this is perfect. So this is how it looks like. It has a mirror, so you open it up and then there's another mirror up here. I just snapped in the cushion and then this is how it looks like. Also comes with a little pad for it. So I will test this out tomorrow and see how it is. Good morning, everybody. So I'm starting the vlog today with going to work. Today's a Saturday, but I'm going to do OT. So I'm gonna show you where I work, and then afterwards I'm gonna go Sawtell to do a little shopping and eating, and yeah, so I'm only gonna do like about 4 hours, which is supposed to be the minimum for OT. Okay, so I'm just walking into the office right now. I parked in the neighborhood so that, because that's where I can find parking. But yeah, I'm now going to work. It's a nice day today. I love like gloomy-ish weather because it's nice and cool and I don't have to sweat. This is where I work. I'm free! Time to go do stuff. I'm gonna go to Sawtell right now so that I can get some lunch and then walk around. So yeah, it's a beautiful day today. Very sunny. Okay, so I'm here at Sawtell. I'm at the Marshall's Plaza. I'm gonna walk around and also gonna get some sushi stuff. I almost forgot to vlog this because I'm so hungry, but look at what I got. Sushi. This one's Sushi Stop. So good. I haven't had it in a long time. Yep, so I will catch up with you guys later. First item, green beans. I'm gonna saute these up. And then I have some cilantro here and chicken. Ground chicken. I'm gonna be making chicken meatballs with this. And then I've got some, are these peaches? I think they're peaches. And then I also got a little tiny watermelon. It was so cheap. It was like $1 at Sprouts. I think they're having like a really good sale, so bought some good stuff. I'm gonna meal prep probably later tonight, because tomorrow I'm going to Ikea with the family. So yesterday I went to go see Crazy Rich Asians, and it's like the most like anticipated movie of the year, or at least for me. Since I really wanted to watch it, I decided to listen to the audiobook. So I have Audible, and that's where I listen to the book while I travel to work. And I'm just like, oh my god, it's gonna be so good. So yeah, I really liked it, and it followed the book pretty closely. I will say that everyone should go watch it. Just not because it's like an all Asian cast or whatever, just because it's really funny. I really like Aquafina in it. Everything she says is so hilarious in there. So yeah, definitely must watch. I kind of want to watch it again too. Just because like I was laughing so much that I kind of missed some stuff. So I might want to watch it again. I forgot to vlog this, but I started making my meal prep. This is chicken meatballs. This is Lara Vitale's recipe. It's so good. I make this like almost every week, except for the past few weeks. But yeah, it's really good, and it smells really good too. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm going to Ikea today with my brother and my mom in the back. We're gonna get some food.
Some Swedish meatballs.
Yeah, we got our food. I got really hungry, so I got two things. My brother got the same thing, and my mom is eating the salmon. And I got this cake too. I want this one, but not on the wall, just on the floor. Oh yeah, here, I'll just do this.
You gotta remember where it is. Aisle 1, bin 24.
Okay. Look at the little boy's backpack. It's so cute. It's Harry Potter.